Hello, boys and girls. Today, we are going to have fun mixing colors. Did you know God created 3 primary colors? Yes, He did. God created red, blue, and yellow. Primary colors are colors that cannot be made from any other colors. They are red, blue, and yellow. When we mix these primary colors, red, yellow, blue, between each other, we get secondary colors. Secondary colors are colors we get when we mix 2 primary colors together. If we mix red and blue, we get purple. If we mix red and yellow, we get orange. If we mix blue and yellow, we get green. Let's review. What are the 3 primary colors? Blue, yellow, red. What color do we get when we mix red and blue? Purple. What color do we get when we mix red and yellow? Orange. What color do we get when we mix blue and yellow? Green. What colors do we mix to get purple? Red and blue. What colors do we mix to get orange? Red and yellow. What colors do we mix to get green? Blue and yellow.